Bakker, naturopath. How are you all going? You've heard of BMI, body mass index, where we look at the height and the weight of the person and we sort of calculate, the height over weight and to see what their index is, to see whether they're, lean people or large people or obese people. So Dr. Katelyn Wade from the Bristol Medical School in the UK recently, with a team of people, conducted research. I think it was October, November last year, it was published. They got hold of 500,000 people, and they found they did this Mandalian approach where they basically looked at the person's genetics and started to take things into account. It's a particular way of calculating, scores of people on a study based on their genetic variability. So this takes out a whole lot of guesswork or equation if the person lost a lot of weight, because they were sick, or if they started going different diets, or whatever happened to this person. So when we look purely at the genetics and the body mass index on a whole lot of people, they found something quite interesting. They found that for every increase of I think it was 5 kilograms or 10 pounds over square meter. So with every increase in the BMI, there came a 16% increase in the risk of mortality, meaning that every time a person jumped up higher and higher on that body mass index scale, the ability to die was 16% greater and greater and greater. And also the cardiovascular risks jumped by a whopping 61%, with every step. So this is a pure indication that, based on 500,000 people, that when you are big and you're getting bigger, your risk of death increases, your risk of heart disease increases, and no doubt your risk of cancer and diabetes dramatically increases as well, along with many other kind of health problems. So just another reason why it's important to have a look at your diet and lifestyle to see if they're contributing towards obesity, and if you can do something now to prevent problems happening in the future. So that was this video was about. Don't forget to click on the link below in the description box if you want my free PDF. Thanks for tuning in.